Today we're making a pasta bake with veggies and mascarpone. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe. All recipes are also on Instagram, TikTok, and my blog. First, sauté a diced onion in a pan. When it starts to brown, add chopped mushrooms. Fry until the mushrooms release their water and it evaporates. Next, add fresh spinach and sun-dried tomatoes. Fry briefly until the spinach wilts. Add mascarpone to the pan. Let it melt, then season with salt and pepper. Press in some garlic and mix everything together. Add al dente pasta, use any type you like. Stir in about 50 g of grated cheese. I used mozzarella. Transfer everything to an oven-safe dish. Sprinkle more cheese on top and place in a preheated oven uncovered at 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese browns nicely, about 15-20 minutes. Enjoy your meal.